Top 5 Best AI Apps That Benefit YouTube Beginners in Growing Their Channels Fast. 1. ChatGPT is an AI program that assists users to provide their videos with a title, explanation, logo, thumbnail, ideas, and much more. 2. 11 Labs is an AI software which transforms readers into any voice. Of course, you have to purchase the premium version to obtain unlimited access. 3. MetaVoice furthermore restores the text to a voice. You see a bunch of varieties here. This is one of the best AI apps. MetaVoice is also available on the Google Play Store. 4. Blue Willow is one of the best AI pic generators. Is it the same as Midjourney? And it's totally free. 5. Dreamlike Art is an AI-powered app that lets users create stunning artwork from their photos. It uses deep learning algorithms to transform images into unique works of art, allowing users to unleash their creativity and express themselves in new ways.